In this video, we're going to take a look at adding countdown timers to your campaign. Now, this is a fantastic way to announce the end of a sale or something that creates a deadline. So let's go and add one. Let's drag our countdown timer here to our desired location. And now we just need to click on it to open it up so we can make some edits. Now over here, you'll see we've got a calendar. This is where we can set the end of our target date. So for example, let's change it. And we can change the hour. In this situation, it will now count down to 3 PM on the 18th. And we just click on apply. And you can see this has been automatically updated over here. Now, if we scroll down, you can change the look and the feel of this countdown timer. So at the moment, our background color is set to white. So let's perhaps change it to match the content color of our email so it blends in much better. And in this example, black text fits quite well, but if you did want to change it, you can change the upper text, which is the numbers at the top, and the lower text, which is the units, days, hours, and minutes at the bottom. And also you've got alignment options if you wanted it to go left aligned or center aligned or right aligned. And finally at the bottom, you've got your outline options if you wanted to add a border around this countdown timer. So if you wanted to do that, you can just open it and say select a solid border and also choose the background color of it and how thick that border is. But in this design here, I think this looks quite nice without the border. And at the bottom, we've got the display on options. If you wanted to hide this on mobile phone users, for example, for a more cut down version, we just deselect mobile and it will be hidden for mobile users. Okay, that's a quick look at countdown timers.